Are you looking for the best recumbent exercise bikes? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best recumbent exercise bikes that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Schwinn 270 Recumbent Exercise Bike. When in doubt, go with this bike designed from Schwinn. A household name in the cycling realm, Schwinn built this recumbent bike with home riders in mind. It can handle a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, and the seat slides easily to adjust for your ideal pedaling position. The padded seat is well ventilated and contoured to provide top lumbar support as you exercise, and the 3-speed fan keeps you cool as you work. The perimeter-weighted flywheel makes for a smooth ride, and 29 workout presets allow you to take advantage of the bike's 25 resistance levels, giving you the exact intensity you want. What's more, the LCD display lets you store workouts across 4 different user profiles, so everyone in your home can keep track of their own fitness data. About this item: Bluetooth connectivity, syncs with the Schwinn Trainer app and other apps for fitness tracking. Sync with the free downloadable Ride Social app and see the world as you virtually ride alongside friends in real time. 29 programs, 12 profiles, 9 heart rate control, 4 custom, 2 fitness tests, 1 quick start. Plugs into any standard electrical wall outlet on a 110V 120V circuit. 120V 60Hz AC input, 1.5A output. 90 to 240V, 50 to 60Hz adapter included. 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. High-speed, high-inertia drive system with a perimeter-weighted flywheel for easy start-up and smooth, consistent workouts. Pros: ventilated and contoured padded seat. Stores workout data for 4 user profiles. A 3-speed fan keeps you cool. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. Worried when it comes to the weight capacity of your fitness equipment? You can trust this recumbent bike from Sunny Health and Fitness, which features a heavy-duty frame that safely supports up to 350 pounds. Its oversized seat and backrest provide the posture-correcting support you need for a safe workout, and the seat is easily adjusted while you're already on the bike, so you can find your ideal position and get right to pedaling. Speaking of pedals, this bike includes non-slip adjustable foot pedals with a large surface area for stability. Meanwhile, the magnetic resistance flywheel allows you to choose from 8 different resistance levels during your workout, and the movable handlebars give you an excellent total body workout option. About this item: handlebars. Movable handlebars transform the recumbent bike into the ultimate low-impact fitness machine. Handlebars move back-forth while pedaling to increase the amount of effort during the entire movement, resulting in increased calories burned. Pulse sensors. Integrated pulse sensors to read heartbeats per minute. 8 levels of resistance. Magnetic resistance systems allow users from all different fitness levels to achieve a challenging, effective workout. Pros: oversized seat and backrest. Non-slip pedal design. Exercises both upper and lower body. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness SB 2.5 Recumbent Bike. If you're particularly concerned about feeling like you fit on your recumbent bike, try this option from XTERRA. There are plenty of settings for the seat and backrest slider to accommodate users of all heights, and the pop pin knob can be tightened once you choose your setting to lock things in place securely. What's more, the bike features a leveling adjuster on the base as well, so you can ride smoothly even if you're working on slightly uneven flooring. It even has self-leveling pedals. The bike supports a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and the 22-pound magnetic resistance flywheel can be set to 24 different resistance levels. The LCD display offers 24 workout programs, as well as a readout of the statistics that matter most. About this item: convenient walk-through design. 24 programs including 12 preset, 4 heart rate, 1 target heart rate, 1 body fat, 1 watt, 4 user-defined in the manual program. Large 5x2.5 dual-color backlit LCD display is easy to read. Audio jack and speakers for the MP3 player built into the console. 24 levels of electronic resistance provide a variety of exercise options for all fitness levels. Convenient walk-through design comes with a comfortably molded seat bottom and large back pad. Pros: 24 preset workout programs. Accommodates all heights. Level adjuster feature for uneven floors. Number 4. Exerputic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Yes, there is such a thing as a foldable recumbent bike. This model from Exerputic supports a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and fits in an impressively compact home gym space. With the foldable design, you do sacrifice the preferred magnetic resistance flywheel, but the 3-piece cranking system still provides a smooth and consistent pedaling experience. Meanwhile, the resistance system does use magnetic tension control to give you 8 resistance levels to choose from, and the LCD display tracks your distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate. The seat sits a little higher than most recumbent bike models, but if foldability is the goal, you really do get the best of all worlds with this pick. About this item. Foldable recumbent exercise bike with Quiet V-belt double drive transmission system. Precision balanced flywheel, 8-level adjustable magnetic tension control system. Easy to read LCD display tracks your distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate. Can be used as a desk bike with height adjustable desks. Semi-recumbent design for easy entry and exit, large seat cushion and backrest. Pros: great small space solution. Easy assembly. Very sturdy. Number 5. Nautilus Recumbent Bike. The Nautilus R614 model is a recumbent bike with many features to offer and comes for a great price. With this bike, you will get 25 brake resistance levels, a multifunctional console, including a sound system and fan. The dual-track blue backlit LCD console displays up to 29 customizable workout programs for you to choose from. It has an adjustable padded seat that can handle a maximum user weight of 300 pounds. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, the user can set, track and control progress with popular app-based tracking tools. And with the World app, you are able to discover a wide variety of route lengths and new destinations added each month. Order it right now. About this item. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Dimensions: 65.3 liters x 28.3 watts x 49.6 h. Product weight: 91.9 pounds. Access the Explore the World app and digitally immerse yourself in a world of virtual courses, exotic locales, and stunning trails from around the globe. 3 free courses available. Unlock more with Explore the World app subscription. Dual-track blue backlit LCD console displays 29 customizable workout programs. 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. Pros: it has access to the Explore the World app. Padded seat with ventilated back on sliding seat trail. It has a pulse tracker. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.